Hi, I'm back. So after spending about a week with a failed little Yale, I thought I'd need some confidence builder. So why don't we pick something else? And I thought I'd give this Maxus a try. I got it, if you saw my collection video update, I got this along with some other padlocks from a local guy with the same hobby. So let's just wipe the gunk off this thing and see if we can get into this one and maybe get my confidence a little bit higher so I can continue failing with the Yale number 4 and other padlocks. So we're going to need to tension this somehow, and I really like using top of the keyway. So let's see if we can get something that fits. Yeah, that should work. And a pick. Sparrows 15 thousandths. I think this is called a standard hook, or it might be a medium hook, I don't know. So let's see what's in here. A little bit of tension and let's get to work. I haven't picked this one before, so I don't know what's in here. Don't really know what to expect. Let me first try, and if there aren't any security pins in here, I should maybe be able to rake this open. Not with that one. Maybe we can try a with insert it, no tension, and see what happens. Okay. Well, I guess it didn't do much for my confidence, but we got it open by raking it with a bow guitar. But we should be able to single pick this. In order to build my confidence, I'm gonna go bottom of the keyway this time, and so it gives me a little more. No, that won't do. I have a wider tension wrench. Let's try that, and a 25 thousandths pick from Sparrows, because it gives more feedback than the 15 thousandths. And since we were able to rake this open, I don't think there are any security pins in here. So we're going to go with a bit more tension this time and see what happens. We have no feedback in here. I don't know if this is the wording or a pin, but I'm just applying heavy tension and see if I can find anything that is binding, and as far as I can figure out so far, everything is binding. So then again, my confidence isn't all that high at the moment, so we'll see what happens. Yeah. Okay. Sorry for bumping the camera. This lock is not very secure. I don't really know what happened there, but like you saw, the lock opened. This is the key. I think it has 1, 2, 3, 5 pins, maybe 4 pins. I can't really tell. Anyway, that's an open on the Maxus without any model number, and it looks like it's sort of a Yale keyway which curves to the right. Anyway, see you later. Bye.